Hello everyone and welcome back to Math Merit. Today we are going to be getting started. We're continuing with our concept review. Now we only have one more day for review, which would be tomorrow, Wednesday. So please make sure that you have this down in your notes and with everything that you may need. That way, if you have any questions, you know what to ask. Moving forward, our final begins Thursday, meaning that next time you have Math Merit, it's going to be the beginning of the final. At the end of today's video, I'm going to go over what that is going to look like a little bit, just so you know what to expect. For now, let's go over this concept. Now, we're going over slope-intercept form. The formula for slope is y equals mx plus b. In this formula, I ask you to learn how to identify two things, the slope and the y-intercept. Our slope is represented by m, and our y-intercept is represented by b. For example, if we have an equation that looks like this, 2/3 would be our slope, and 2 would be our y-intercept. We now know how to identify those. What about graphing them? Let's go ahead and graph it. There we go. We're going to graph y equals 2/3 x plus 2. Now, we're going to use a method called elevator walk. Now, for elevator walk, we do just that. Elevator means we either go up or down depending on whatever our y-intercept is, whether it's positive or negative. If it's positive, it goes up. If it's negative, it goes down. So, we're going to go with positive 2. So we're going to go up twice. That was our first elevator. That's our first point. We found our y-intercept. Now, to find our slope, we have 2 and 3. Elevator walk. We did our first elevator. Now it's time to do our second elevator, which is 2. And we're going to start off from our y-intercept point. We're going to go up 2 times more, but that's not it. We have a 3 under our 2 to complete the slope. That is our walk. So, we have a 3. We're going to walk over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to go up, and this is our slope. Mine's not too straight, but you get the point. Now, what if we had an equation where instead of a fraction, like 2/3, we had another number like 5? It's just one number. How would we be able to do elevator walk? Now, I want you guys to think about it this way. Whenever you're asked to graph a slope-intercept form, when you have a whole number represented by your slope, you're always going to put it over 1. Because in reality, 1 goes into 5 times. And that's what that division problem looks like, but simplified. So, this is what you're going to be using to graph. 5 over 1. So 2 is going to be your elevator, 5 is going to be your elevator, and your walk is going to be just 1. Okay? Let's get into your assignment. Now, very well, for your assignment, I want you to go ahead and identify the slope and identify the y-intercept on this equation, as well as I want you to graph it. Remember, using elevator, elevator, walk. If you have any questions on the assignment, please do not hesitate and ask. Now, let's get into what you are going to be seeing on Thursday. Thursday, I'm going to begin with an introduction. I'm going to tell you this very quickly what I am expecting of you, but just so you have in mind what I am expecting for Thursday. I am going to set clips in the video. The different clips, they're going to be like slides, are going to have a math problem. You can pause the video wherever you need to continue to take your time on the test. Like I said, it's going to be 2 parts. One part is going to be in Math Merit on Thursday, and the second part is going to be in Algebra 1 Friday. Now, once you are done with the video on Thursday, you can submit what you finished. And if you're not finished, just make sure you do finish by Friday. I will not accept any work that is not turned in before Friday. Okay? Before the end of Friday, better said. So, please be very mindful of that. Best of luck. We're continuing with review tomorrow. So, if you have any questions, right now's the moment to ask. Besides that, I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon, and I hope y'all have a very wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.